Everybody, I'm here today with another unboxing, and this time we're going to be unboxing the Bohosome box. I saw this box advertised, and it's just like home decor and accessories that are all like boho style, and I've always gravitated towards the boho style. I remember being a teenager, my mom would be like, "You dress just like a hippie, you dress like a gypsy," and So I've always gravitated to that style, but over the past few years I've really embraced that style, and I want to incorporate it more into my home decor and my everyday, just what I wear and everything. So I was like, this is perfect. This will help me do that without having to hunt down good deals and good stuff. So I was like, this might be worth trying. So I signed up for it. So before we get into the unboxing, story time. We have a little story that goes along with this box. Come a little closer. Yeah. Okay. So I signed up, and I got an email, and it said membership confirmed for monthly subscription, and then I got another email that was like, welcome to Bohosome. And then 2 or 3 days later, I got another email that was like, your box just shipped out. Here's the tracking number. And it said, label created, awaiting UPS pickup. Like, okay, great. This is going to get to me super fast. I'm so excited. I'm so pumped. A week goes by, still label created, awaiting pickup. Another week goes by. Label created, awaiting UPS pickup. And I've done subscriptions in the past, and it was explained to me one time that sometimes these subscription people will like have these big bins, and they don't get the mail carrier to pick them up until the bins are full or until it's a certain date. And so I thought, well, maybe that's what's going on. I'll give them a few more days before I email them. Well, 2 or 3 more days go by, and it's still label created, awaiting UPS pickup. So I shoot them an email, and I'm like, hey guys, just wanted a shipment update. It's been like this for 2.5 weeks. Just kind of curious as to what's going on. And they emailed me back. It was 2 or 3 days later, but it was a holiday weekend when I emailed them. So it may, anyways, other than that, so I guess the regular turnaround time would probably be like 1 to 2 days that they would normally get back to you. But they got back to me quickly. But they didn't really answer my question. They were just like, our apologies. We're going to reprocess your order with a new box and get it out to you immediately. Really didn't tell me what was going on with the other box. I didn't know if the label had been created and never put on the box or what. So, whatever, they fixed the problem. Wasn't a big deal. They were super fast in getting back to me. They were apologetic, so no big deal. 2 or 3 days later, got another email with a new shipping, a new tracking number, and for my new box. And it was 2 or 3 days later, it was shipped out. It was headed my way. I was like, thank goodness. I don't know what happened to the other box. I guess something happened in the warehouse and it got skipped over or something. Well, here's the kicker. When my box arrived, it arrived, and so did the other one. So we have 2 boxes to unbox today. So I'm kind of curious to see if it's the same stuff in each one, because my daughters are going to be super excited if it's not, because they'll get to go through some of it. But I'm kind of hoping there's a variety, but I think all boxes are the same for each month. But we're going to dive into these boxes, and we're going to see what's in them. And I'm super excited because all the reviews and the pictures looked really good. So let's get into it. All right. So, this box right here, I was kind of afraid because it came already like the label cut and everything. I don't think it was really cut. I think it just busted open in shipment. So, we're just going to start with this one since it's already open. And it says, unleash your wild side on the inside. And then it's got this cute little sticker. So let's open it and see what's inside. Very cute stuff. Okay. It says Bohosome, let the magic into your life. Isn't that cute? Alright, and on here, it just talks about 5 essential tips to living the bohemian lifestyle. And it says, Bohosome, welcome Boho Dreamer. You're now a part of our tribe of free-spirited souls who adore all things boho chic. Inside this box, we've gathered a delightful collection of hand-picked treasures to awaken your inner wanderlust and inspire your creative spirit. So get ready to unbox the magic and embrace your new boho lifestyle. So I'm excited. And then it talks about each of the things inside. But I'm not going to look at that yet because I just want to dive in. So this is how it's all laid out. So the first thing on top is this little purse. Is it a purse? Yeah. Yes. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? I love this bag. Ah! Is this not the cutest? I absolutely love this. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. And then there's something in here. Let's see what this is. Alright, it's some bracelets. It's got a little tassel on one. And then you got two beaded ones. One has a tassel. And then you've got a gold chain. And then this one's a gold chain with the same stone on this little emblem. What stone is that? I wonder if it says in here. Let's look. It says marble charm bracelet set. So that's really pretty. I love that. Alright, and then we've got a little wall decor here. Let's say anything about this. It says, oh, it's a car ornament. Oh, I love that. It says, transform your ride into a magical boho haven with our charming bohemian car ornament. Infuse your daily journeys with good vibes and let your gypsy soul take the wheel. Oh my God, I love that. That is cute. Alright, and then this one is a bunch of hair ties. Can never have too many hair ties. But a bunch of different colors. It's more like a neutral pastel colors. And I like those. And, oh, look, there's 2 of them. Oh my gosh, that is a ton. That is great. I love that. We got 2 different colored hair ties. Yes, it says embrace your inner wild child with these vibrant, colorful hair bands available in enchanted colors. Double the fun by rocking them as a bracelet and let your free spirit shine. Okay. And then we've got a hairbrush. That's not on the list. And it's I'm kind of concerned about this. I don't understand that at all. It almost looks used. I'm not even, surely not. No, I think it's just dusty. I don't think that's supposed to go in here. We're going to see if this other box is the same. I want to see if this is in there, because if it's not, I'm going to be concerned. But we'll see. We're going to set that way over here. Alright, oh, it's another little hair tie that fell. Alright, we got another one of these little bags. Okay, it's a seashell necklace. That is super pretty and perfect for summer. I love that so much. That is so pretty. It looks like it's a real shell, just they have like a gold overlay on it. Super pretty. I love that. That is so, so pretty. And I think this may be the last thing in our box. If I can get all these little little ribbon stuff off of it. Okay, these are Oh, these are coasters, the little macrame coasters. And they're earthy essentials, add a bohemian touch to your space, creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere for your soulful gatherings. These are really cute. That's going to be really cute on a little side table, just all stacked up, and then you can use them. That's really cute. I love that. I really like everything in this box. Besides the comb confuses me, and I'm going to be really concerned if it's not in the other box, if the box is the same. So we're going to put all this stuff back in this box and then open the other one and see if it's the same or not. And it's the random mysterious comb is in the other one. So yeah. So okay. Box number 1 out of the way. Moving on to box number 2. Okay. Same pretty wrapping. Okay, it looks like it's going to be the exact same. We got, okay, the comb is in this one too. Guys, I was so worried. I was like, I know somebody didn't like drop their little comb down in here. That concerned me. But this will be nice to put in your purse, like your purse. So it's okay. I'm so glad it's in this one too, because I was gonna be so concerned if it was not. But we're okay. We're good. We're in the clear. Woo! I can deal with that. That's good. It just threw me off because it was just kind of randomly placed in there. It wasn't on our list, and it looked a little dusty, but we can dust it off. We can use it. That's good. It's all good. So, okay, we got the purse again. I don't think there's going to be anything any different. Yeah, all the same stuff. So, I'm going to let my girls go through this, and if there is anything they don't want, I'm going to put it in a giveaway pile, and once I get several things built up in my giveaway pile, I do a giveaway over on my Instagram. So be sure to be following me over there. You can just look up Candy Calloway, or it's _candies.sweet.life_, and it'll be in the subscription box, the information box down below, so you can just find it there too. But I thank you guys so much for unboxing this box with me. I had a lot of fun. This box I think I'm going to absolutely love, and I really hope going here forward that they get it shipped out in a timely manner and there's no issues. So I'll keep you updated on all of that, and yeah, I'm excited for next month. I want to see what we get because I absolutely 100% love everything we got. So I'm excited to see what is yet to come. So I will put information also down below about the box, how much it cost, I'll put the link down below so you can sign up for yourself. And yeah, I will meet you here next month for another Bohosome unboxing, and if you want to, you can check out my other unboxings and try-ons and makeup videos, and be sure to like and subscribe and leave me some love down below if you do not mind. And I thank you so much for joining me here today, and I hope you have an amazing week, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.